Hello everybody. So in today's video I'm going to be drawing out a light bulb. So I'm first going to start out by drawing a simple circle. I'm going to erase these sections over here and over here. Choose the selection tool. Now I'm going to join this section over here till about here. Just going to get the line down over here and then just curve it around like this. And I'm going to try and copy this exact same line work on this side. The next thing I'm going to do is the area of the bulb that screws into the light socket. These things almost look like sausage shaped. The next thing I'm going to do is the filament for inside the bulb. So I'm first going to draw out a line over here and bring it all the way down till here. Do another line. And I'm just going to do another similar line on this side. And then do another one. The next thing I'm going to do is the actual filament that lights up the bulb. And then finally, since this is a light bulb, I'm going to draw lines around it to show the light bulb be actually on. I can't speak today. And there we have it, guys. It's our simple little light bulb. For the next part of the video, I'm just gonna color this in and finish up the video. So thanks for following along and for the people that watched, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye for now.